I'm happy to provide a speculative astrological outlook for Bitcoin and Ethereum on Saturday, March 7th, 2026, based on general astrological principles. Keep in mind that this is purely for entertainment purposes and not financial advice, as astrology is not a scientifically validated method for predicting cryptocurrency performance. To compare the cosmic energies for Bitcoin and Ethereum on this date, we can consider the astrological transits and planetary influences that might metaphorically align with their unique characteristics. Bitcoin, often seen as the pioneering and foundational cryptocurrency, can be associated with Saturn, structure, authority, long-term value, and Uranus, innovation, disruption. Ethereum, with its focus on smart contracts and decentralized applications, might resonate more with Mercury, communication, technology, and Neptune, vision, idealism. Voyagers. Astrological snapshot for March 7, 2026. Using available astrological data and projections based on planetary positions calculated by software like Solar Fire or online ephemerides, here's a brief overview of the cosmic weather on this date. Moon phase and sign. The moon will likely be in a specific sign on this day, influencing emotional and market sentiment. For instance, if the moon is in Taurus, a sign associated with financial stability and material wealth, it could suggest a grounding energy for Bitcoin, potentially stabilizing its value or encouraging investor confidence. If in a more volatile sign like Scorpio, emotional intensity might drive speculative swings for both cryptocurrencies. Key planetary transits. By March 2026, slower-moving planets like Uranus, in Taurus until mid-2026, will still be emphasizing financial innovation and disruption in traditional markets. This could bode well for Bitcoin as a revolutionary asset, potentially signaling a period of growth or significant adoption. Ethereum might benefit from Mercury's position. If Mercury is in a favorable aspect to Neptune or Uranus, it could highlight technological breakthroughs or increased interest in blockchain platforms. Saturn in Pisces, 2023-2026. Saturn's transit through Pisces during this time might bring a more cautious or regulatory tone to cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, tied to Saturnian energy, could face structural challenges, e.g., government policies, while Ethereum's adaptability, Mercury and Neptune vibes, might help it navigate these waters with creative solutions. Jatra, Bitcoin's outlook. Bitcoin's energy on March 7, 2026, could be influenced by its Saturnian nature, meeting the ongoing Uranus in Taurus transit. If there are harmonious aspects, like a trine or sextile, between Uranus and other planets, Bitcoin might experience a surge in mainstream acceptance or price stability. However, any harsh aspects, squares or oppositions, involving Saturn could indicate resistance, possibly in the form of regulatory hurdles or market corrections. The cosmic energy for Bitcoin might feel like a test of endurance, holding strong but under pressure to prove its long-term worth. Ethereum's outlook. Ethereum, with its tech-forward and visionary qualities, might resonate with any Mercury or Neptune influences on this day. If Mercury is well aspected, e.g., conjunct Jupiter for optimism or trine Uranus for innovation, Ethereum could see a spike in developer activity, new project launches, or positive community sentiment. However, if Neptune is in a challenging aspect, there could be confusion or hype-driven volatility. The cosmic energy for Ethereum might lean toward inspiration and adaptability, potentially outshining Bitcoin in terms of short-term buzz or utility focus. Comparison. Stability versus innovation. Bitcoin's astrological outlook might emphasize resilience and foundational strength, Saturn-Uranus, making it a safer bet for conservative investors on this day, though possibly less exciting. Ethereum's energy, Mercury-Neptune, could be more dynamic, favoring risk-takers and those betting on cutting-edge developments. Market sentiment. If the Moon or Venus, ruler of money, is in a harmonious position, both could see positive momentum, but Ethereum might capture more speculative interest due to its flexibility. If the cosmic weather is tense, e.g., Mars or Pluto in hard aspects, Bitcoin might weather the storm better due to its established status. Overall vibe. Bitcoin's energy feels like a steady mountain, unshakable but slow to climb, while Ethereum's feels like a rushing river, full of potential but prone to unexpected turns. This comparison is, of course, imaginative and based on symbolic interpretations of planetary energies. For precise details on the exact positions of planets on March 7, 2026, an astrologer would need to consult an updated ephemeris closer to the date, as minor bodies and fast-moving planets like the Moon shift quickly. Would you like me to dive deeper into a specific planetary influence or focus on another date?